So you guys, I am trying to get out of the situation that I am in, and I have been trying to build these YouTube channels in order to start making money off, because you can make money off of Google, off of your YouTube channels, and you put a lot of work into it, and you put a lot of time and money for all the software and the programs, all the little things. And so I have been learning how to make digital products. I have these beautiful wallpapers I made. They're cosmic, motivational, they're gorgeous. I'm going to share some of them up here so you can see what they look like. But I made a packet of 24 of them, and I put them on my phone, and I've been, oh my God, I'm so pleased with them myself. I love them. They're bright, they're beautiful, and there's just a motivational quote that different ones that I have heard over the years, my favorites, new ones that I've heard that I'm just really loving, and they're just really motivational. Well, if you want to support me, they're in my stand store, and that would help a girl get out of the situation she's in, because I need out. I need an apartment. I need to make some money. And that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to make money, make my own business. And eventually I'm going to have my barbecue sauce, which is amazing, in stores. I'm working on that. And I'm working on so many things because I want a better life. And I've wanted it for a long time, and I've been working really hard trying to get it and get us set up. Me and my husband, not just me, but now it's me. And yeah, I want to help my family, and I want to help people. This is what I'm out to do. I want to help people. I want to help people get out of horrible, abusive marriages, relationships, and yeah, I'm hoping to inspire people to lose weight too, to get healthy. And that, I don't give a shit if we're 65. Not only 65. Yeah, only 65. We got a lot of life left, and we can have a great life. It's never too late to change the crap in your life and make it better. And that's what I'm doing, and that's what you can do too. We can all do it. We can all have a great life. Mindset is huge. And yes, my mind's made up. My life is great now, and it's just going to get better, and I don't care about all the chaos and all the craziness, because I know such wonderful things are coming for me and for you. For you too. Yes. You who's sad and lonely and sitting on that couch crying them tears, terrified. Is he going to come home? Is he going to hurt me? Is he out screwing somebody? What the hell is he doing? No more of that bullshit. We are not putting up with that crap anymore. It's over. Swear to God, it's over. We are done. We're too good for that. We deserve better, especially in these last years of our lives. We deserve better. We've earned it. Yes, we have.